Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Idioms. Let's talk about life. Let's learn English.
Today, we will learn more examples of idioms that are related to life. In the same boat.
It refers to people who are in the same situation.
I guess we're on the same boat now.
Don't worry, we'll pass the exams tomorrow.
Hot water.
It refers to someone who is in trouble. I think we need to help Joshua, he's in hot water.
Okay, let's go find him. In your shoes.
It means, in your situation.
I'm not in your shoes to judge you.
Thank you for understanding.
Fish out of water.
It means, uncomfortable.
I felt that I was a fish out of the water last night.
I appreciate your honesty.
Put your feet up.
It means to relax. Put your feet up. You're gonna be fine.
I'm just a little bit worried about me.
Ball is in your court.
It means the decision making is up to you.
The ball is in your court now, okay?
I'll tell you my decision tomorrow.
Last straw.
It is a final problem in a series of problems.
This is the last straw. We can do this, Dean.
Yes, sir. We can do this.
Once in a blue moon.
It refers to something that happens very rarely. We only see once in a blue moon. Let's enjoy this trip.
I agree with you, Jeff.
Live out of suitcase.
It refers to someone who travels a lot.
I live out of suitcase this month, that's why it's hard to find time to see you.
I understand. Good thing you're here now.
steal someone's thunder.
It refers to taking credit for something that someone else did. I love that we never steal each other's thunder.
It's because we are friends. Let's practice your English.
Practice number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct meaning of each idioms. In the same boat means.
Letter A. Uncomfortable.
Letter B. In the same situation.
Letter C. Someone who travels a lot.
The correct answer is letter B. In the same boat means in the same situation. Hot water means.
Letter A. Relax.
Letter B. In the same situation.
Letter C. Trouble.
The correct answer is letter C. Hot water means trouble. In your shoes means.
Letter A. In your situation.
Letter B. Final problem in a series of problem.
Letter C. Someone who travels a lot.
The correct answer is letter A. In your shoes means in your situation. Fish out of water means.
Letter A. Uncomfortable.
Letter B. In the same situation.
Letter C. Someone who travels a lot.
The correct answer is letter A. Fish out of water means uncomfortable. Put your feet up means.
Letter A. Uncomfortable.
Letter B. Relax.
Letter C. Something happens very rarely.
The correct answer is letter B. Put your feet up means relax. Ball is in your court means.
Letter A. Uncomfortable.
Letter B. In the same situation.
Letter C. The decision making is up to you.
The correct answer is letter C. Ball is in your court means the decision making is up to you. Last straw means.
Letter A. Final problem in a series of problem.
Letter B. Something happens very rarely.
Letter C. Someone who travels a lot.
The correct answer is letter A. Last straw means final problem in a series of problem. Once in a blue moon means.
Letter A. Uncomfortable.
Letter B. Relax.
Letter C. Something happens very rarely.
The correct answer is letter C. Once in a blue moon means something happens very rarely. Live out of suitcase means.
Letter A. Uncomfortable.
Letter B. In the same situation.
Letter C. Someone who travels a lot.
The correct answer is letter C. Live out of suitcase means someone who travels a lot. Steal someone's thunder means.
Letter A. Something happens very rarely.
Letter B. In the same situation.
Letter C. To take credit for something that someone else did.
The correct answer is letter C. Steal someone's thunder means to take credit for something that someone else did.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.